This is NASA's latest moon photo, taken by a person, not a probe. They captured a historic scene from a spacecraft window. It shows the moon blocking the sun fully, rimmed by the sun's edge. That is the sun's outer atmosphere, with stars in the background. Sunlight should blind us, yet the moon's front side glows faintly. During a total solar eclipse on Earth, you might see it for up to 7 minutes if fortunate. Astronauts watched it 54 min, 8x longer than an eclipse. From an unprecedented vantage, they documented the event. Here are the images from launch to lunar orbit. Artemis II is the first human mission this far since Apollo 17, 1972. Before that, understand what Artemis II is. Since December 1972, Apollo 17. Since leaving low Earth orbit half a century ago, all astronauts stayed near Earth. The ISS orbits at 400 km, while Artemis II travels 370,000 km from Earth. Nearly 1,000x farther. Crew: Wiseman, Glover, Koch, Hansen, Canada's first past Earth orbit. The mission launches April 1, 2026, venturing farther from Earth than any human in over 5 decades. This mission tests Orion's spacecraft and crew for a safe lunar journey. It sets the stage for Artemis III in 2027. The images are momentous. Earliest photo taken April 2nd before moon arrival. Engine thrust pushed them from Earth's orbit. Wiseman filmed Earth. The line sharp divides day and night, showing both halves of Earth lit and dark. The sharp line between day and night shows half Earth lit, half in dark. This photo shows Earth larger. The next day, something more extraordinary occurred. Wiseman captured the Earth backlighted by sun, stunning in complexity. The sun hid, its edge glowing in a thin atmospheric halo. What makes this photo breathtaking is something else entirely. In the corners, 2 auroras and zodiacal light shine. This phenomenon, caused by sunlight reflecting off ancient dust, rarely seen in a lifetime. From a spacecraft to the moon, a photo caught auroras, zodiacal light, and Earth's curve. On the 3rd day, Earth shrank, a thin crescent in endless darkness. From that angle, Earth appeared as a thin sliver of light. Another photo shows it as a crescent moon. That angle shows just a sliver of Earth and moon. It looks like a crescent moon. Here's an image from the Wiseman module floating in Orion's window. NASA named this photo Missing You, Earth as they drifted farther away. This photo wasn't taken by crew members. A camera on Orion's wing captured the spacecraft from the outside. The moon looms. This isn't of home or destination. It's the journey, spacecraft, void, and world ahead. All within one frame. On this photograph taken by April 6th, everything about this mission is visible at once. Crew near moon, view fills window. Images differ completely. The lunar surface shows ancient craters and ridges. Lava plains unchanged for billions of years. Moon's far side imaged after 50+ years. Taken moments before the start, now see the Sea of Crisis Basin. A 600 km crater marks the moon's near and far sides. At its center, a dark region formed by ancient lava eruption. Once cooled, it froze, leaving dark scars. A clear black circular pit is on the left. Debris spreads 400 km. alien yet ancient vista from above. The crew observes intently for 3 hours, aiming cameras at the Terminator line. Here the moon's sunlit side meets darkness. The sun sits low on the horizon. The light skims the surface, casting shadows across ridges and craters. Highlands stand out in sharp relief. Bas reliefs pop like a 3D map, Vavilov crater visible too. It doesn't look like a photo, more like a map showing Vavilov crater. Deep impact scar, clear image of terraced crater walls. Layered descent, flat floor, central peak rising, a post-impact geologic formation. So powerful was that collision that it caused the lunar surface to behave momentarily as if it were liquid. Vavilov crater is hidden on the moon's far side. April 7, 6:44 p.m. ET, Orion vanished behind moon horizon, lost contact. This silence lasted 40 minutes. On the moon's far side, signals don't reach Earth, leaving you unknown. You are isolated from humanity until communications resume. Koch delighted in hearing Earth's voice again. Beyond these surfaces, a photo redefines all Earth and Moon in one frame. Earth appears small, Moon dominates the scene. Far from home, Earth shrinks to photo corner, wow. This feeling is crucial, embodying a changed viewpoint. The moon eclipsed the sun for Orion. The moon eclipsed the sun fully, unlike any on Earth. These 4 astronauts saw 54 minutes of total solar eclipse around the moon. Stars dotted the sky beside the spectacle. One stood out. Venus shines bright as the corona forms a plasma ring around the sun. Image of Earth setting behind the moon during Orion's flyby deserves note. Our planet dipped below the moon's curve, recalling the iconic 1968 Earthrise photo. But this time it wasn't Earth rising over the lunar horizon. Instead, it was setting behind the moon's edge. Earth does not rise, it's different this time. This marks a new era in human spaceflight. Artemis heralds Earth's leap into the cosmos. Artemis II aims to land astronauts on the moon.